than my best friends. Look at this guy. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Gaurav and this is my channel, Mumbai DIY. We're going to visit my aunt. She has invited me over today because she wants to give me some plants. And I'm really excited to show you guys her house and the collection of plants that she has. It's massive, you guys. Really looking forward to that, and it's going to be exciting. So let's go. Little creatures. Funny little guy. Hello. Meow. So cute. Look at this guy. I think this is very healthy. Wow. So big. She has lots and lots of plants, you guys. Look at them. So pretty. Oh my god. Come here. He does more drama than my best friends. I think I'll just have to go to him. More plants. She also gave me a lot of plants to take home, the cuttings and saplings, so I'm really excited for them to, grow into these beautiful big plants. Very happy. I just came back from my aunt's and she gave me so many plants, and also she sent over some vegetables from her garden. I need to quickly go grab a jacket because I'm so cold. I'm just wearing a shirt and another shirt from inside. This is also this is very thin material, so I'm so cold. See you guys in a minute. This is the bag of plants she gave me, and there's like, I don't know, 20 to 30 different plants in here. Also some green veggies and some fresh radishes. Look at how cute these are. So small. Small and cute.
When I come home, I see you